When I heard about the Nova R Smart Ring, which promised all the core health tracking features without the recurring costs, my interest was piqued. I've been wearing it 24/7 for the past couple of weeks, through workouts, sleep, and daily chaos, to see if this affordable gadget can truly hold its own against the big names. After putting it through its paces, I have some thoughts on where it shines and where it falls a bit short. Here's my hands-on experience with the Nova R Smart Ring. Right out of the box, the Nova R makes a good impression. The packaging is clean and feels premium, almost like a classic ring box. The ring itself is crafted from a titanium alloy, giving it a sleek, brushed look that's both durable and surprisingly lightweight. At just 3 grams, I honestly forgot I was wearing it most of the time. Before you get the ring, Nova sends you a sizing kit from US size 6 to 13 to choose from. A neat little detail is the small dimple on the outside of the ring. This marks where the sensors are, so you know to keep that part facing the palm side of your finger for the most accurate readings. After weeks of continuous use, including accidental knocks and bumps, it has picked up a few tiny scuffs, but nothing major. It's also 5 ATM water resistant, so I had no issues wearing it while washing dishes or in the shower. Pairing the Nova R with its app was straightforward. You just pop it on the charging dock to activate it, and the app finds it within seconds. The app itself is clean and easy to navigate, presenting your health data in digestible cards. You get insights on your daily activity, a recovery score, sleep analysis, and more. The sleep tracking is pretty detailed, breaking down your night into restful, light, and REM stages, along with providing a sleep quality score. It did a great job nailing my bedtime and wake-up times, though I noticed it sometimes missed brief moments when I woke up during the night. Heart rate is monitored continuously, and the app shows you a nice graph of your trends throughout the day and night. You can also take manual readings for blood oxygen, SpO2, and stress. You can enable automatic SpO2 tracking during sleep, but be warned, it does take a toll on the battery. In my tests comparing its readings to a medical-grade oximeter, the heart rate and SpO2 levels were impressively close. The app also includes some nice extras, like a daily tag feature to log your mood and activities, and a surprisingly robust meditation section with guided courses and soundscapes. And the best part? No subscription is needed for any of it. Nova claims the ring can last between 4 to 7 days on a single charge. In my real-world testing with 24/7 wear, I consistently got around 3 to 4 days of battery life before needing to charge. While that's on the lower end of their estimate, it's still pretty decent and much better than charging a smartwatch every night. The charging dock is one of my favorite parts of the whole experience. It's a stylish magnetic stand that holds the ring in place, making it look like it's floating. A full charge from 0 to 100% takes just over an hour, which is super quick. Here's where the Nova R Smart Ring really makes its case. Priced at $169, it's significantly cheaper than premium competitors like the Oura Ring or Ultrahuman Ring Air, which can cost nearly double. The biggest selling point is the complete absence of a subscription fee. You get access to all your data and the app's features without having to pay a monthly charge, which is a massive win. For the price, the Nova R packs an incredible amount of value. It covers all the essential health tracking bases accurately enough for the average user who wants to keep an eye on their trends. It's not trying to be the most advanced tracker on the market, but it doesn't need to be. It makes the Smart Ring experience accessible. For anyone curious about smart rings but put off by the high cost and subscriptions, the Nova R is a fantastic starting point. It delivers on its core promises and provides genuine insights into your health without breaking the bank.